Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make liquor-filled chocolates. This unique method creates a delicate sugar shell, which holds the liquid center perfectly. We'll avoid the common issue of alcohol mixing directly with your chocolate, ensuring a distinct and delicious treat. You will learn the precise steps to achieve professional results, making these sophisticated homemade confections a true delight for any occasion. To begin, select a good quality chocolate, fine powdered sugar, and your favorite liquor. You will also need cornstarch and a few drops of food coloring for the sugar shells. Essential tools include specialized chocolate molds, a double boiler for melting, and a small funnel for filling. Having everything ready ensures a smooth and enjoyable process.
Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. On another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's perfect for playing music or setting timers while you bake. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
The magic happens with the sugar crust method. First, create a thick sugar syrup, then carefully pour it into cornstarch molds. As the syrup cools, it crystallizes, forming a perfect hollow shell. This shell will be the container for your liquor. Patience is key here, allowing the shells to fully set before handling them gently. Now for the fun part, filling. Carefully pour your chosen liquor into each sugar shell, leaving a small gap at the top. Then, use melted chocolate to create a secure seal on the bottom of each shell. It is crucial to ensure a complete and tight seal to prevent any leakage, keeping your liquor-filled chocolates perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.